All right, guys, so today we're going to be taking a look at the Belkin BoostCharge Pro, which is their 2-in-1 wireless charging pad with MagSafe, and it is 15 watts. Now, this is the upgraded version. It is the Pro, and that just basically means that it does have that up to 15 watts wireless fast charging for your iPhone. So, taking a look around the packaging, very nice little presentation, and on the back, let's see what you get. It says that you can charge your phone and AirPods in one place with a beautifully designed pad, wirelessly charge your iPhone up to 15 watts with MagSafe and your AirPods up to 5 watts. Compact design with USB-C input, which is great, by the way. USB-C everything, but compact design with USB-C input, and it fits in your bag to go anywhere, and we'll take a look at that. And that MagSafe technology simplifies your iPhone charging experience with seamless alignment. Now, a little bit more of information from their website or from Amazon, which is where I got this, which, by the way, this is $79.99, and we'll be talking about that a little bit later on in the video. But you do get that fast wireless charging that I was saying is the 15 watts. You can wirelessly charge 2 devices, so really it doesn't have to be anything MagSafe. It can just be pretty much anything that'll fit on 2 wireless charging pads, but in this case it is MagSafe as well, so it's good for your iPhone and your AirPods for the AirPods slot. Now, it is travel friendly. They do say that it has a slim modern design and looks great anywhere, and that it's very lightweight and is perfect for travel. And it does have some safeguards, which is something that I'm very big about. I do like to make sure that all of my devices, as well as everything, is safe while it is charging. So it says that it does have some built-in safeguards protecting the connected devices. It has temperature control, over voltage protection, and foreign object detection, as well as an LED charging status light. So let's go ahead and take a look at the inside of the box. So let's go ahead and unbox this. I did cut the tape. Now, I have not opened this up yet. This is my live first unboxing and reactions to this. So starting off, we'll go ahead and take out the charger itself and put that to the side. In here, you do get a little bit of paperwork, things like that. We'll put that to the side. And in this compartment, you do get your USB-C charging brick, as well as the cable. So that's everything in the box. Put that off to the side. And let's go ahead and take a look at the charger itself. So this little, cloth kind of case for it. Take it out here. And first impressions, this is really nice. It's pretty light, so it's not very heavy like a lot of other charging stands and pads, but it does have a little bit of weight to it. If you tap on it, it does feel kind of plasticky, but it doesn't really feel like cheap plastic. And it has a very nice soft material on here that's not slippery, so even non-MagSafe devices, they're not gonna go anywhere. Very smooth, grippy material on here that I don't think is gonna make your devices slide off or go anywhere. But for right now, let's go ahead and take a look at the charging brick and the charging cable, and we'll go ahead and plug it in and use it. So you do get your little bit of Belkin branding there. And this is a 20-watt adapter that they give you, so that's always nice. It is USB-C to USB-C charging, and you do get a nice USB-C to USB-C cable, which is long, and it is MFI certified, so it'll be good for your iPhones, all of your Apple devices. So let's go ahead and plug this in. I did want to show you guys, before I plug this in, the little LED indicator that lights up when you plug it in and when you're charging things. So we're going to go ahead and plug the USB Type-C cable right here into the back, and you'll see right there that little indicator will turn white. There it is. And let's go ahead and charge some devices. So we do have the Space Black iPhone 14 Pro Max in the Taurus MagSafe Slim case. Now, I will leave a link for this case in the description below if you're interested as well. But to test this out, we'll go ahead and get a connection on there. Come on, there it is. There's your MagSafe. And for the AirPods Pro 2, we'll go ahead and put them on the AirPods spot. There you go. Little amber charging light right there, and there you have it. You've got both of your devices charging right there perfectly. Your little LED indicator light, not sure if you can see that, but it is a tiny little white light glowing right there. So it's not going to cause you guys to wake up in the middle of the night, because this is so faint and so dim that I honestly can barely see it from right here behind the camera. But either way, that's not something that should bother you, hopefully. I know me, I'm a fairly light sleeper, so I know that a really bright light from my charger would end up distracting me while I'm sleeping, so I'm really glad that that is not there. But to test how good the magnets are with the base, let's go ahead and move this. Now this Taurus case, the magnets on there are really good, so I mean, come on, this isn't going anywhere. Good magnets from Belkin, very good, and you can even pick up the phone by its stand, and magnets are good on both sides of the charger. And we can even go ahead and show nightstand mode with iOS 17, which is what I'm running right now. So we gotta kind of mock this because it's a pad, not a stand, but we'll go ahead and put that on. And you can see that it's switching into nightstand mode, or trying to at least. It's a little bit buggy on beta still, but it will work eventually. So with that being said, this is the Belkin 2-in-1 Boost Pro charger for your iPhone and your AirPods, or really, honestly, any two wireless charging devices. It doesn't have to be them two. I do recommend this. This will look great on your nightstand. This will look great on your office table or in your travel bag. And I will leave a link for this down in the description below. Like I said, $79.99. It's not the worst thing in the world. I mean, Belkin has other chargers that are a little more expensive, like their 3-in-1s. And then you've got something like the Nomad Base 1 Max, which is $150. You have a whole lot of these different chargers. So for $79.99, and this is brand new, it just came out, really not a bad deal for MagSafe 2-in-1, and it's a legitimate Apple product. I mean, Belkin and Apple have a very good relationship together. Apple sells a lot of Belkin's products in their stores, and this does give you that native 15-watt charging for your iPhone. So $79.99 for this. I'll leave a link for it down in the description. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe for more accessory videos, and we do have some iPhone 15 content coming as soon as that is released. A bunch of accessories, bunch of more chargers and everything like that. So make sure you're subbed up, and I'll see you guys in the next video.